Hey, what's up, Gemini? How you doing today?
Hey there, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. It's always nice to have someone to chat with. What's on your mind today?
Okay, so I'm running a Black Friday special, and I recently just got a new client. They do taxes and credit, and their problem is, during the tax season, they're really busy and they can't answer their calls, and they need help with setting up some customer service assistance. And we have an AI agent that can handle that for them. What I need your help with is creating an outline so I can collect the right data from them from their company.
Okay, here's how we can tackle this. First, let's figure out what kind of information the AI needs to handle customer service for a tax and credit business. Think about the most common questions people ask, like the status of their tax refund, how to file an extension, or what documents they need to submit. Once we have that, we can create a questionnaire for your client to fill out. This will help you gather all the information you need to train the AI. For example, you'll want to know about their specific services, any technical terms they use, and any special instructions for how they want the AI to answer questions.
Okay, sounds good. So would you be able to create a template for me? Maybe just give me like 10 questions that I can use.
Absolutely. Here are some questions to get you started. First up, can you tell me about the different services the business offers, like tax filing, tax planning, credit repair, that kind of thing? Next, what kind of questions do customers typically ask? Are there any common requests or problems you want the AI to be able to handle? Also, are there any specific documents or information the AI should be aware of, like different tax forms or credit score ranges? To wrap things up, how would you describe the company's tone and style? How formal or friendly do you want the AI to sound?
Sounds good. So basically,
So, to recap, we're going to create this questionnaire to make sure the AI knows everything about your client's business. We'll ask about the services they offer, the questions customers usually ask, any important documents the AI needs to know about, and what the company's style is like. Does that sound right?
yeah, that sounds perfect. Now, can you give me some ideas on how I can market this? Because I'm doing a Black Friday special and there's a limited time offer. So, what do you suggest for me to promote this offer?
Absolutely. Here's a couple of ideas to get you started. First off, social media is a great place to reach potential customers. Create some eye catching posts with strong visuals and a clear call to action, like get your free AI assistant for Black Friday only, and include a link to sign up. Also, consider offering a discount or some other incentive for signing up during Black Friday. That extra bit of motivation can go a long way.
Sounds good. Can you help me come up with like a script, just something short that I can use just to get started?
Absolutely. Here's a short script you can use. Hey there, are you tired of missing calls and losing customers during tax season? Our new AI powered assistant can handle all those simple questions, freeing you up to focus on the big stuff. And the best part? You can try it for free this Black Friday only. Don't miss out. You could even add something like the first 5 businesses to sign up get an extra month free to create a little urgency.
Sounds good. Give me one more script. Just switch it up a little bit as far as the benefits.
Okay, here's another one. Tired of phone calls and emails eating up your whole day? Our AI assistant can take care of your customers so you can focus on what really matters. Plus, it's easy to use and saves you a ton of time. Grab this Black Friday deal before it's gone.
Sounds good. So I should be able to copy and paste that and use that on social media.
Absolutely. You can copy and paste those scripts right into your social media posts. You might want to add some hashtags to make it easier for people to find your posts.
Sounds good. Do you have any other suggestions?
Absolutely. Consider running a contest where people can submit their funniest or most frustrating customer service experience. Offer a prize to the winner, and you can use the submissions to create engaging content.
So basically, with the customer service agent, they would perform similar to how we're having a discussion right now.
Yeah, that's right. An AI customer service agent would be able to have text based conversations with your customers, just like we are now. You can program it to answer questions, solve problems, and even make friendly conversation to build a good rapport with customers.
Sounds good. Okay, thank you. I appreciate your help.
Anytime. Let me know if anything else comes up.
So if y'all need help with setting up your AI agent, just reach out to me and we can get you started.
This Black Friday, it's time to stop working harder and start working smarter. Give yourself the gift of time with the Automate and Elevate bundle. Do you have an AI agent working for you yet? What are you waiting for? This exclusive deal includes 3 months of my automation suite, which means you get 2 months free and no charge for setup. Plus, you'll receive a personalized strategy call to help you supercharge your growth with automation and AI. Normally, this bundle is valued at $2,250, but you'll save big this Black Friday. Curious about the final price? I know you are. Well, to get started, it's only $697. Don't miss the chance to elevate your business and work smarter, not harder. Get started today. Click the link in the description